So this is drawing B-9. The first step we're going to do is we're going to label. So in my front view, the front view looks at from this direction. I can see this face, I see this face, and I also see this face down here. Even though looking at it from an angle, I don't see part of it. My side view, set it this way. I'd be able to see that face and this face right here. Now, my top view looked at it from above, and I would see this face towards the back. Then I would see this face towards the front. Okay, so our labels are done. Now, we have to do our measurements. So the height. Now, you might be tempted to say, okay, it's only 3/4 high, but this other section actually goes 6/4 high. So our height is going to be 6/4, which is the same as 1.5. Now, for the width, okay, we need the width from the left edge to the right edge. Okay. So, for this one, okay, so we can see that this area right here, 3/4 wide. Okay. And then I can see it sticks out further. I'm not including the whole thing, but that sticks out further, 6/4. Another way you could have looked at it is, okay, so this is the right back corner, and back here is the left back corner. And there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9/4. And then 2.25. Now the length. So for our length, you can see that this section right here is 3/4 long. This section right here is an extra 6/4 long. So our length is going to be a total of 9/4. We have our measurements done. Now our boundary boxes. For our front view, we see these two. So we see a height of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a width of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Leave a gap of 1 inch for our side view, 1, 2, 3, 4, and leave a gap of 1 inch for our top view, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now our side view, see these two measurements, our height and length. So again, the height is 6, 6, and the length is 9. 1, 2, 7, 8, 9. And our top view is these two measurements, our width and length. So this would be 9/4 wide to here, and it'd be 9/4 long. So our boundary boxes are done. Now we have to start filling them in. Okay. So my front view has three different sections, so I'm going to save that one for last. So my top and sides, they each have two sections. So I'll do my side view first. So I'll do this section first because that's the one that's sticking further out to the side. It's all the way in the back of my object. It's on the bottom. So I'm going to start in this bottom back corner right here. So I can see it's 3/4 long, 3, and 3/4 high. And be right there. Then we have this area here. Right? So I see it goes all the way to the front edge. So I'm going to start at this upper front corner. That is this corner in my side view. And I see it is 3/4 high, then 3/4 long, then 3/4 again, then 3/4 long, and up here again, and then I can see it's 6/4 high. So our side view is going to be right here. And I can see I don't need these lines. So those are going to be erased. Now I'll do my top view. So my top view, I have this area right here. That's sticking up higher than the other top area. So see, it's all the way in the front and it's all the way on the left side. So this front left corner, that corner right there, my top view, is this corner right here. My front left corner. All right, so I see this is 3/4 wide, 3, and it is 6/4 long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It'll be right here. Okay. So now I'm going to look at my other area in my top view. So I see this right here. And I can't see all of it because I know there's going to be some back here that's hidden. But I can see that it goes all the way to my right edge. Okay. So that's my back right corner right here. So my top view, my back right corner is right here. I see that's 3/4 long. 1, 2, 3. And then to get to that corner, it's 6/4 wide. Right there. And this back edge is the full 9/4. So back is the full 9/4. So that is the other top area. That this line and that line aren't new. Going to be erased. Now my front view. So my front view, I'm going to start with this one, because it's the one sticking all the way out. So that one is on the left side of my object and it's towards the top. So this corner is my top left corner, which is right here. So you see it's 3/4 wide, 3, and 3/4 high. Right here. Next, I'm going to do this one over here because I can at least see all of this. So that is on the bottom of my object. It's all the way on my right side. So my bottom right corner is right here. So my bottom right corner is right here. My front view. I see it's 3/4 high, 2, 3, and I see it's 6/4 wide. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This would be that front section. Okay. And actually, this section down here, okay, you see it's 3/4 high, you see it's 3/4 wide. And that's exactly what we have here. 3/4 wide, 3/4 high. And we wouldn't need those lines. Those two lines are going to be erased. Now, there actually is one more thing I have to do in our sketch. Okay? If I'm looking from above, okay, at this section, okay, this part of it, okay, is thicker than that part. So now here it's this thick, looking at it from above. With the front, it's only that thick. So I need to actually put a dotted line. Okay, so in my top view, I would actually have a dotted line right there, separating those two areas. It's all one color face, but there's a difference in thickness. So that's what your drawing B9 should look like.